What's up, I'm Chef Nicholas Ganea, and I want to talk about this, that you may feel like you're crazy at times. You ever notice that sometimes when you go and buy a product and you notice that it's got all these awesome reviews, and yet when you buy the product and you go, what is everyone talking about? It's not even that great. I completely understand. That's what it's like being a chef. And a lot of chefs experience this. Especially maybe you're one of those people that have a chef friend and you probably don't like bringing them to a restaurant because they're very critical and critique everything, and you're like, oh my god, someone's listening. Yeah, well, you probably want someone like that because they're going to tell you the truth. Here's the thing. You'll notice that some things like flavored oil, they don't have a lot of flavor. Well, as a fine dining chef like myself, we focus on flavor. We care about concentrations and giving you a high quality product. And as a result, if this is the first time you're ever hearing about us, Dip Dip Foods, no big deal. If you're afraid of trying our product, because we don't sell it at stores because we don't want to. We want you to buy it online because it's easier. That's the future. What you can do is this. Purchase the product in the description, and if you don't like it, you can hit us up on the text. It'll go straight to our phones as business, and we'll refund your money if you don't like it. No questions asked. Well, maybe I'll ask you why you don't like it, and then so we can improve on it. Or maybe it's just like, it's too concentrated, we don't like it. But I will be honest with you. Our Italian herbs one, and it's not to downgrade, I just want to be transparent because as a chef like myself, I like to have high quality and we have very high standards for ourselves. And you know, if we don't like it, we'll tell you. It doesn't have a lot of concentration of flavor, it's quite weak. The reason why is that certain ingredients don't impact a lot of flavor. Now, our customers like it, but to me, mediocre at best. If you want some examples of what to do with our oils, subscribe and send us a message, or even hit us up on a text message. We'd love to hear from you. Anyway, peace.